I just could never have a day where my brows just... I can never have a day. Oh my, ow, fuck. Hi guys. Hi bestie. How are you? I know it's been a couple weeks. A lot of things have been going on in my life. A lot of good things, a lot of things about this channel. I'm back though, hello. And in today's video, I'm gonna be testing one singular product that has been going extremely viral on TikTok. I've never seen a makeup product kind of get like this much hype in a long time. Today I'm gonna be testing out the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Powder Foundation. This guy right here, which honestly, I wanted to film this sooner because this has been it was like really popular and trending all crazy like a couple weeks ago, maybe not a couple weeks, like a week and a half ago. I had to literally search high and low just to find this stupid powder foundation that is brand new. Like it just came out recently. L'Oreal just released it. I found one left at Target in the shade. I just ripped off the shade. I'm so stupid. I think it's Snow or Pearl. It's Pearl. Dude, I'm gonna try and wear test it too because it's a 24-hour powder foundation. I'm not gonna be wearing this for 24 hours, but I'm gonna be wearing it until time for me to take my makeup off, which probably would like 10 hours from now. I'm actually super excited to try this because this is like the powder version of the liquid foundation that I raved about all of 2020. And then in my drugstore video that I posted, drugstore products are actually good, I used the liquid foundation and I freaking love it. I still love that foundation. So if this powder is anything like that foundation, but it's powder, I might just be a powder girl from now on and not do liquid because I hate applying liquid. I hate the feeling of liquid on my skin. And yeah, it could be such a serve. And I mean, I love other powder foundations like the MAC Studio Fix is one of my favorite powder foundations of all time because it's so full coverage. It comes in a white shade. It's so beautiful on the under eye to like set and to like add more coverage under there to make it like this beautiful, seamless, doll-like, bright, Bratz doll like look. Okay, so I'm gonna look up the other claims it has. I mean, foundations now, especially at the drugstore, they make sure to put every claim they have in the name of the foundation. So I think they took it off their actual website, but I found it on Ulta. It's literally sold out on Ulta still, like literally every shade except the last two darker shades. I will say though, the shade range on this is, I mean, bad. There's literally two dark shades. So the key benefits are it's up to 24-hour wear. Powder foundation provides full coverage, no excess, no transfer, completely waterproof, sweat-proof, and heat-proof. And it's a formula that feels breathable and weightless on your face. So those are all the claims. Now, the TikToks of this, like, it's like one swipe full coverage. But because I didn't see any of the girls and they, thems, and boys put concealer on or anything testing this out, it leads me to believe that like maybe if you're gonna do this that you need to put your concealer on before because I don't know of any powder concealer and I'm not about to chance it with like the concealer moving weird, so I'm just gonna conceal my under eyes normally first and then I'm gonna go in with the powder. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go into my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpt. I'm a dumbass. Didn't prime, please. Bitch, I look tired. It's so weird. I know some people that just do concealer for their like face makeup and I'm like, that's so brave. That's literally so brave. I could never. Like imagine me walking around like this. I look like a Republican. Ew. Not me blending it out with my finger because I'm too lazy to go pick up my beauty sponge and wet it. Okay, so I have my concealer on my under eyes on. So next, what I've seen in the TikToks is that they just go into the sponge that it comes with. So moment of truth, we're gonna dig right in. Oh wow, okay. Do you guys see it? The shade match is good. This is like my problematic side. It feels like I'm putting nothing on my face, but I am. It's covering, and it feels like nothing. It looks so pretty too. It's really buildable. It literally looks so smooth on my skin. I'm screaming. Like my skin looks like butter.
Butter dog. The dog with the butter.
So I'm gonna keep applying it with a brush because I feel like a brush would be so much quicker than the sponge. It does have a lot of kickback though, but so far I'm really vibing with it. It looks super lightweight and it feels super lightweight. It feels like there's nothing on my skin right now. Like I put a lot on. Oh wow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, now that I have this on, I'm gonna try one thing because I don't like how it like kind of worked with the cream concealer. So I'm gonna get my light Maybelline powder, you guys, you know, the one that I always talk about, and see if I can brighten up my under eyes and kind of add some dimension to my face. And then I'm gonna go from there. But this is the Maybelline powder that I'm talking about. It's the Super Safe Full Coverage. And I'm gonna see if I can. Okay, I like it so far. So I'm just gonna finish up and fix up my eyebrows and finish my face. And then I'll be right back with my initial thoughts. And then we'll vlog it, do all that stuff. And then I'll give my final thoughts, okay? BRB. Hi, welcome back. Welcome back, hi. I'm welcoming myself back too. I'm not gonna lie, this powder is kind of it. This powder is kind of it. I'm gooped. When I set my face, like honestly, like the only thing that I feel on my face right now are my lashes. Well, and my lips. My skin though, it just looks so good. Like I'm actually kind of shocked at how good it looks. Honestly, I suggest if you're gonna go a little bit heavier handed with this because you want more coverage, set it with a setting spray afterwards, like maybe like a more, not a mattifying setting, well you can use either or, but like I used, I don't have it near me, but I used my Rare Beauty setting spray and then a little bit of the Dominique Cosmetics setting spray mixed together, and it just like melted my skin. It looks beautiful. Excited to see how it wears. Another thing that I noticed is a very stressed out person, and most people with stress kind of get these lines above their head, or above their head, their forehead. And that's one thing I've had a big insecurity with my whole life. I've had it since I was really, really young. And honestly, like one of the biggest problems I have with liquid foundations is it's always creasing, but I didn't have that big of an issue. I mean, it's very subtle, the creasing that I have right now, but with liquid, it's like insane. Like it's insane, the creasing. In all honesty, like I really like this foundation from initial review and just initial application. I'm excited to see how it wears throughout the day, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted on that. I'm gonna vlog a little bit on my phone. So far, I'm in love with this, and for $15, like I definitely think it's a steal. But I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I'm gonna vlog, like do little check-ins throughout the day. I'm gonna try and keep it on for at least 10 hours. At least. I'm not doing 24 hours. My skin does not work that way. Cool, let's get into that part. After 2 hours of wear, it still looks like I just put it on, which is really, really good. It looks so nice and pretty. Okay, it's been like several hours later, and sorry for like the poor quality and bad lighting. I have no lips on and stuff like that because I've been eating. I just got done eating. But I just wanted to say I really like this product and I really recommend it. It's been wearing really nicely. I've come to a pretty clear consensus that this product is definitely worth the hype, and you guys should check out once it comes back into stock. Yeah, I mean, I really love it. Like, there's no transfer. I've been laying down on like my bed. I honestly just feels so much nicer than like what liquid feels like. Like I can touch, I feel like I'm not afraid to touch my face. Does that make sense? Like I'm never the person like touch my face when I have makeup on. And I just feel like I'm okay to just like do this or do this because it's not like moving or transferring, and I don't, because I can't feel it on my fingers and I don't see it and it doesn't budge, which is really interesting because it's a powder, but I think it's because it's a powder, that's why it's doing it. So I definitely recommend this foundation, and I definitely suggest you guys check it out, especially if you are like someone that's just more natural, like you just like more natural makeup and you don't like to do like the full thing that I'm doing right now. It's honestly really nice, and it's definitely buildable too. Like everything I kind of want in a foundation this is. So yeah, Whoever discovered this and made it really popular on TikTok, because I've seen a lot of people talk about it. Brava. Well, I just want to, you know, pop my lashes on, so I'm just gonna... It's crazy how lashes make an entire look. I can't. Okay. I love you guys. Peace. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. If you guys want to see other content like this, I have a playlist that you guys can watch all my videos and stuff like that. Leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. And please leave me your suggestions on what other videos you want to see on this channel. I'm literally open to anything. Trust me, like, even the dumbest thing you can think of, I might consider doing it. Please comment down below your suggestions. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye, guys. What? Do you want in here? Come inside. Nah, don't do that. Don't do that. And then do the... This cat is on crack.